Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to compare Typeset versus Canva. So number one, purpose and use. Typeset is made for academic formatting such as research papers, theses, and journal submissions. Canva, on the other hand, is a graphic design tool used for presentations, resumes, social media, and marketing content. Number two, interface and ease of use. Canva is much easier to use with its drag and drop editor and massive template library, while Typeset feels more structured, which is better for precise formatting but is less flexible for visuals. Number three, collaboration and features. Both of them allow real-time collaboration. Canva integrates with team folders and brand kits, while Typeset offers versions controlled for research teams. Number four, output quality. Typeset generates clean journal-ready PDFs with correct citations, formats, and Canva creates visually stunning exports, but it lacks academic citation automation. So for final verdict, you can choose Typeset for academic works, and you can choose Canva for all type of creative or professional design contents. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.